Since 1988, Proflex Manufacturing has been making a durable and unique line of polyurethane flexible rope tie-downs. They come in various sizes, lengths, and colors, and is 100% American-made.
Ben Whitaker, I'm with Proflex Manufacturing. We're out of basically Atlanta, Georgia. And we're here looking at packaging. We manufacture polyurethane thermoplastic rope for a variety of markets, whether it be marine, camping, DOD, automotive, just a variety of industries, and trying to really crack into the retail market. So we're here at your booth and we like what we see.
Proflex rope has endless uses, so their customer base is extremely diverse, including these markets.
It's like a bungee cord except out of a great material. It's a TPU, and I shouldn't tell you this, the recommended stretch is twice its length. It'll stretch up to 900%, so it's really good stuff.
After the show, Proflex purchased the Clamco 4C Combo heavy-duty shrink packaging machine that's built for 24/7 performance with industry-leading durability and technology for years of consistent, strong seals. It combines a heavy-duty L-bar sealer and shrink tunnel for packaging, sealing, and shrink wrapping a variety of products. This system can be used with a wide range of films due to their precise temperature and speed controls. This shrink wrapper comes with a standard power takeaway system and is available with a sealer arm that works manually, pneumatically, or with a motor. This system provides greater productivity and will ensure consistently strong seals for years of trouble-free operation. The digitally temperature-controlled tunnels also provides for a consistent shrink. This is an easy machine to set up and operate and provides great retail-ready packaging. Ben talks about the company's growth using the Clamco 4C shrink machine.
Untapped in the retail world for us, so lots of avenues.
Contact Pack Machinery if we can help you automate your packaging operation.